In this video, I'm relating how to register both parents and students on the school website. The first thing is to type the school website address. In this case, our school is elioncollege.com. Once you type that, I have already opened mine, so I don't need to reopen it. Now, on the right top corner here, click on menu, then scroll down to where you have students registration. Click on it. Then the form is here. I want to close this chat. Okay, so I'll enter the details of my ward here. All these details have to do with the name, the gender, the date of birth, religion. Let me just pause the video and enter these details before I do more explanation. Okay, haven't entered the details I needed. This place here where we have email address. This email, the first email here is meant for the child, because there's still another place where we're going to enter the parent's email. But the first email that you are required there, please take note, it is for the child. Now, when it comes to this class section, choosing the class, let's say my child is JS2. Please, depending on the strength of network, you may wait a little bit for the sections that are under JSS2 to load. By section, we mean arms. But if I click it so early, it may not load it like that. Say, for instance, say SS2 is still showing, oh, it has, my network is okay, so it quickly change. So please be patient in this place. Say my child is in SS2. Then next, I upload a snapshot, a passport of the child, either from what I've snapped on the phone, or you can snap directly using a clean camera, or select from device. Then we enter father's name, father's phone number, mother's name, mother's phone number. Then we upload ID of any of the parents, either international passport, 99 national ID card, any voter's card, any valid ID can be uploaded here, and it can belong to any of the parents. Then we have this place where you need to enter username, login, email, and password. You have entered email address before for the child. It is the same email address that will be entered here. Then username that the child can use to log in, can enter it here. Then you should create a password that you can easily remember. Then you come down a bit, you see where you have allow parents login. Please tick mark this. Tick mark it so that as a parent you can be able to access parents portal too. So you supply parent username, parent login email, then password. So this is expected to be unique and different from that of the child. And in another video we show the difference between parents dashboard and students dashboard. So each of the dashboard, they need access, login details, and that is why there is a need for this. So I'll just do that before I complete the video. So having done that, all I need to do is to click on I agree with GDPR compliant terms and conditions. Then you click on submit. That username already exists. Okay, I need to change some of the username I've entered here. Oh, it must be this. I've used it before. Let me say dummy2. And come down to click on submit. So it says it has been, yes, that's my registration has been successful. You come to this page and then receive our appreciation and then instruction that follows. What happened is that this registration that has just been done, you cannot access the dashboard, the portal of the student or parent yet. One of our administrative staff will need to verify if it is really truly one of our, one of us. So we need to verify if you are the one or not. Then within about 24 hours, your account will have been approved once it has been verified. So meanwhile, you can contact us if you need assistance from us by using the details that comes up on the next page after your registration. Thank you so much. Do well to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any updates concerning website sales and all this. Thank you.